Big up in yourself, my people. I wanna do again. Welcome to another one. Yeah, man. And today we are gonna react on some video. Yes. Today we are gonna react on Vybz Kartel in England. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna want to show in England we sell off. Yes. We are gonna react on the video today. So you just stick around and watch it. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Today we are gonna bring man like Rasta Murray. Yeah, man. And him have things to talk about Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Some good things. So people, artists, them come together and unite. Yeah, man. And make it thing grow, you know? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, my people. Big up to Vybz Kartel. And big up to all the artists, them where do good. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, you know? So I wanna do it, you know? And make a vlog on them entertainment channel, you know? Yeah, man. So, we are going here where Rasta have to say. Yeah, man. And then we see what Vybz Kartel do. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, my people.
This brother here when named Vybz Kartel. I'm going to say something, you know. I mean, no say, no found I go vex. But me careless. Who want vex? Because you are now. Me now wipe my mouth a ground like fall and talk. And me now afraid to talk in a this, you know. And I say it. Me not talk with happy in my mouth, you know. Me talk loud and clear. Now this brother here when named Vybz Kartel now. And then you have a next one. Round one place named Canada, where they call him Drake. And another one from around Nigeria there, where they call Burna Boy. Now, these three brothers sold out one event, you know, in England, you know. We're supposed to happen later this year. The brother them sold out the ticket, them 135,000 tickets already sell out for that festival what them call it Wireless Festival. And when I look into it, I say, you see, sir, the eye them need to unite and link up and collaborate. How to get better result? But I feel good for no say. Vybz Kartel is going there to represent I culture, the dancehall culture. And I feel good for no say. Dancehall is a part of this Wireless Festival this year, where them say are the biggest sale out ever go on and are the quickest sale out of ticket ever go on, and dancehall at the list. You know say it. So I say the eye them need to cut out the animosity and this narcissistic behavior we want to have, you know, and this arrogancy, and link up and communicate and collaborate and make the music work and go where it's supposed to go. You know say it. Now Vybz Kartel I represent dancehall. Drake I represent some music we do over there, you know, hip hop or R&B. And Burna Boy I represent Afrobeat. So you see them collaborate them three music there. And what? What happened? Tickets sell off. 135,000 tickets sell off already. You know say it. Unity is strength, man. So right so, wanna link up and unite and do the right thing. Shocking Morris said that.
It's a type.
Last time my boy was catch him blade. See it there? Doing it. My boy was. UK. Remember Wireless Festival. I was sick this year. Drake, Vybz Kartel, Wireless. What this song that me knows?
Yes, my peeps. Mobile Award, Wireless Festival, London. Man, shell down your place. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, them thing you can bring you back after a Grammy. Yeah, man, you do well. Me say you do well, you do well. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Big up to you and you see them. Yeah, man. Big up yourself all the time. Boom, me people. Yardman TV, news and entertainment.
Doing
Boom.
13 years in prison, I'm diagnosed with Graves' disease. So I'm fighting to be free. I'm fighting my illness. I'm fighting to keep my family together. This is my son right here, Liquor Vybz. I'm fighting to keep the fans pleased with good music. And look how God great. Nominated for a Grammy with an album that I did in prison. Got released from prison. Got engaged to my fiance who's from England. And now I'm here. I walk the red carpet at the Mobos. So that, come on! So you know, that taught me to believe in three things more now than ever. Faith, change, and forgiveness. Big up my manager TJ, big up my parents, big up the whole England crew, big up my fiancé, see them. Kiss me, baby! Hold on! And big up the Mobo Awards to give me the award. And big up my son, big up the Queen of Dancehall, Spice. It's a pleasure to be here. And big up all of the British stars.